Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are having the closing day of IAPEX exhibition year 2016 Islamabad chapter, and we are also going to launch our biggest brand known as MEPE. MEPE is an Italian company, and it has got 66 manufacturing facilities around the globe. MEPE MEPE manufacture products from smaller infrastructure to the largest structures, and it's a big day for us, and please join us, and we'll have a very colorful night tonight. We'll have dinner, we'll have music, and everything you'll got under one roof today. Thank you very much.
Admixtures, various hardeners, plasticizers, various chemicals, even for flooring, epoxy floors, and all these chemicals are very important. And all premium projects require construction chemicals, and they are routinely used in construction.
Right, sir. Thank you very much. And we are just going to make, one effort, and to go, extra mile. As you know, the standards in Pakistan, I'm talking about the standards of construction. They really need to be taken care of. And we are here to, just contribute a bit for the same noble cause, to, have good and improved buildings in the days to come.
That's a very great thought. I think standards need to be observed when construction is concerned. There are various organizations, the Pakistani organizations and international standard organizations, which require all products to conform to a certain standard.
Right.
And as architects or as builders or as industry partners, I think various product manufacturers are also very conscious of it, and I think if MEPE is going to do, help us, enforce those, we will be very happy and grateful to them.
Sir, thank you very much, sir. Qazi Sahab,
thank you.
Thanks for coming in.
Thank you very
and
much.
Sir, have a good night.
Thank you.
And enjoy the dinner.
Thank you.
Thank you. हम लोग MEPE का today we are going to launch MEPE. Do you know MEPE? What is MEPE?
MEPE is basically a construction से रिलेटेड जो आपके केमिकल्स हैं उनको प्रोवाइड करने की एक कंपनी है. इट हैज़ बीन रिसेंटली बीन लॉन्च्ड, और इसका पर्पस ये है कि आपकी जितनी भी इस एरिया की जो रिक्वायरमेंट्स वगैरह हैं कंस्ट्रक्शन से रिलेटेड, केमिकल से रिलेटेड, उनको नई प्रोडक्ट्स लॉन्च करें और जो डिमांड है उसको पूरी की जाए.
Right. And if we talk about the criticality of the use of construction chemicals, being an architect, what do you think, to what extent they are critical, and what important role they play, to construct a good building?
देखिए, इन केमिकल्स का सबसे पहले जो इस्तेमाल है वो आपके बेसमेंट से शुरू होता है, और पर्टिकुलरली वाटर प्रूफिंग, एडहेसिव्स, ये सारी चीज़ें वहाँ पे हैं. तो अगर आपके नीचे फाउंडेशंस वगैरह में ही इनका इस्तेमाल सही नहीं होता, तो फिर आपका पूरा जो ऊपर का स्ट्रक्चर बन रहा है उसमें काफ़ी सारे टेक्निकल इश्यूज़ आ जाते हैं. प्लस ये है कि ऊपर जो सुपर स्ट्रक्चर ऊपर बाहर निकल आता है, उस पे ये होता है कि हीटिंग की एक्सपेंशंस वगैरह होते हैं, कंक्रीट्स वगैरह में आते हैं, सीमेंट्स वगैरह में क्रैकिंग आती है. तो वहाँ पे पर्टिकुलरली इन केमिकल्स का बहुत खसूसी इस्तेमाल होता है.
Sir, thank you very much, and enjoy the function and dinner. Thank you. As you know that this is the closing day of IAPEX year 2016 Islamabad chapter, and we just want to have a little chit chat with you. You have any idea about MEPE? What?
Creedsoul हमारे बहुत पुराने इंडस्ट्री पार्टनर्स हैं, and I think myself और हमारी फर्म जो है सोहेल फवाद, हम लोग बहुत अर्से से क्रीडसोल के साथ काम कर रहे हैं. It's been years now, and I think because डॉक्टर जलील ने जैसी चीज़ को लॉन्च किया पाकिस्तान में, I think हमारे लिए एक पॉजिटिव चीज़ है. It'll be a very very important new addition to the industry. So very very hopeful, and I think it will be a great show, inshallah.
Okay, thank you. And sir, we just one more thing. We just want to know that what do you, I mean, see the trend going on in, in the field of architectural and construction? I mean, if we talk about, we have seen so many high-rise buildings in past 10-15 years in the city of Lahore and Islamabad, and the trend, I think, came from Karachi. So what do you see? I mean, that this trend will go on, or you see any change in the days to come?
आई थिंक वर्टिकल हाउसिंग जो है, वर्टिकल कमर्शियल जो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा इस वक्त इस पर फोकस किया जा रहा है। हम जबकि ऑलरेडी सीस्मिक जोन में आते हैं और हाई डिजास्टर जोन में आते हैं, लेकिन आई थिंक एवरी आर्किटेक्ट इज प्लेइंग हिज रोल प्रोफेशनली, और आई थिंक द नेक्स्ट ईयर्स टू कम यू विल सी मेनी मोर रेजिडेंशियल एंड कमर्शियल हाई राइज बिल्डिंग्स इन पाकिस्तान। सो बेस्ट ऑफ लक।
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for sharing your thoughts.
अच्छा मैम, एज बीइंग एन आर्किटेक्ट आप मुझे ये आइडिया देती हैं कि बिल्डिंग केमिकल्स कितने इम्पोर्टेंट हैं एक अच्छी बिल्डिंग बनाने के लिए?
यकीनन ज़ाहिर है हमारे सारे जॉइंट्स वगैरह एवरीथिंग इज़ डिपेंडेंट ऑन देम, एंड इट इज़ यूज्ड फॉर मेकिंग गुड बॉन्डिंग, इट्स यूज्ड means for sealing purposes, it's used for avoiding leakage and these type of things. Chemicals are normally used for this.
ओके मैम, मुझे ये बताइएगा आप लास्ट कितने टाइम से हैं आर्किटेक्ट फील्ड में? कब से ज्वाइन किया आपने, एंड आर्किटेक्ट कब से काम
83 में ज्वाइन किया, then I worked for 7 years, and after that I joined a school for teaching because of some problems that I had. Now I am again in the field.
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच मैम, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर टाइम।
सलमान साहब, आपको कोई मैपे के बारे में हैव यू हर्ड? मैपे
it is a new company, और a few days back some of your representative visited my office, और अभी I think it is just an introduction, so I hope but I suppose that it is a company which has got a very international presence and in so many countries, but it is a new company in Pakistan, so let's hope they will perform well.
Sir, yeah, that's true. MEPE is, we are the global market leader, and we manufacture construction chemicals. Construction chemicals, if we talk about construction chemicals, what do you think that to what extent they are critical in constructing a good building?
Definitely, ji, there are many technical requirements where we need construction chemicals to support our construction needs, and definitely there are other companies as well, and it is a big market for construction chemicals, so I hope that MEPE will perform well. I hope I am pronouncing it right.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you, sir. Thanks for sharing your views.
गुड इवनिंग सर, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। काइंडली इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ।
माय नेम इज़ आर्किटेक्ट कबीर मलिक।
सर, आप आर्किटेक्ट फील्ड में कितने टाइम से काम कर रहे हैं?
आप बड़े सीक्रेट क्वेश्चन पूछ रही हैं, इससे मेरी उम्र का अंदाज़ा ना लगाइएगा। बाय द वे, इट हैज़ बीन 23 इयर्स।
ओह, दैट्स ग्रेट। और मुझे, डू यू हैव एनी आइडिया अबाउट मैपे?
Yes, MAPEC has recently been introduced to me. I look after the Serena hotels for South and Central Asia, and we're looking forward to be a part with your company for products like waterproofing, insulations, and water repellents.
That's great.
Sir, the last thing we want to know, I mean, coming with MEPE and with top quality products, we have an objective to serve the community and make some contribution in the field of construction, and so how do you see it?
Very simple. Architects like doctors, pharmaceutical companies go and approach them, introduce their product lines. Architects, they are slightly confined to their works. They are in their studios, they can't go out. There's so much of a burden on it. But I think it's better if all the stakeholders which are related to the construction industry work together and have more of an interaction sections like that IAP Rawalpindi-Islamabad chapter has done, or IAP across Pakistan. They interact with all the product people and technical technologies coming in. I think that is the better thing which can bring us more together, and we can work together on more better projects.
Thank you very much, sir, for sharing your thoughts. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum, sir.
जी वालेकुम सलाम।
Sir, आपको कोई you have any idea about MEPE?
Yesterday we visit your site, ठीक है, यहाँ पे आप लोगों का जो स्टॉल लगा हुआ है उसको चेक किया है हमने, और वहाँ पे आप लोगों के जो स्टाफ वगैरह थे उन लोगों ने काफ़ी हमारे साथ कोऑपरेट किया, और इंट्रोडक्शन जो भी उनकी थी वो हमने हासिल कर ली है। इंशाल्लाह हम चेक करेंगे और उसको किसी प्रोजेक्ट में लगा के फिर ज़्यादा हमें अंदाज़ा होगा कि क्या रियलिटी है इस प्रोडक्ट की।
राइट हम लोग सर वी बीइंग द चेंज एजेंट, हम लोगों की कोशिश है कि मैपे के थ्रू वी आर ब्रिंगिंग चेंज इन द कंस्ट्रक्शन इंडस्ट्री, जिसमें हाई क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ होंगी एंड ड्यूरेबिलिटी एंड ऑफ कोर्स इम्प्रूव्ड कंस्ट्रक्शन, एंड बाय दिस वे वी आर गोइंग टू सर्व कम्युनिटी। तो ये हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव है। तो आप इसको किस तरह से देखते हैं?
सॉरी ज़रा आप क्वेश्चन रिपीट करेंगे?
हम लोग सर हमारी क्योंकि प्रोडक्ट्स टॉप क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, और हम लोग हमारी ऑब्जेक्टिव ये है कि हम पाकिस्तान की इंडस्ट्री को एक बेहतर कंस्ट्रक्शन दे सकें, उसमें जी अपनी जो एक सिग्निफिकेंट आप कह लें हमारी कंट्रीब्यूशन करना चाहते हैं, तो दैट फॉर व्हाट वी आर हियर।
ओके, ये तो एक बहुत अच्छा इजाफ़ा है मेरे ख़्याल में। हमारे पाकिस्तान में चूँकि टेक्नोलॉजी का इस्तेमाल बहुत कम हो रहा है और मटेरियल भी कम है, तो इट विल बी वंडरफुल अगर कोई भी इस तरीके से हमारे कंस्ट्रक्शन फेज़ को एक्सपेडाइट करता है और कोई अच्छा मटेरियल हमें प्रोवाइड करता है, तो देन इट विल बी वंडरफुल फॉर अस।
Thank you very much, sir, for sharing your views. Thank you. Actually, launching MEPE today, and it's a big day. And we are with the objective that we should serve the community by providing high quality products, so that we can, contribute in the field of construction industry. How do you see it?
Actually, I don't know what your product is.
Sir, we manufacture construction chemicals. MEPE is an Italian company, and we manufacture construction chemicals, जो कि infrastructure से लेके structure तक सब में use होती हैं।
Well, I think construction chemicals have a very good prospect in construction, in the future construction industry, because it's being used all over the world. So it's high time that we started using specialized chemicals for concreting and stuff. So I think it's a great initiative.
Thank you very much, sir, for sharing your views. Thank you. Sir, how's your experience going? You have visited all the stalls, and just want your views on this.
Well, it's my first time here in this exhibition. It was very interesting. Very interesting to see innovative products, Western products coming to Pakistan. Ourselves as MAPE is the first time we attend to such an event. I believe it's the right way to start contributing in the growth of the construction industry in the region. And we are very grateful we had this opportunity to come, and especially to have the presence of our ambassador in this event with us.
Right. Yes. Sir. Thank you very much for coming in, and we are really privileged, and it's a great feeling to have you here.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
A bit of your experience about the expo, the exhibition. You've just taken a round. Would you like to? Yes. Please.
Yes.
Yes, I must say, I mean, I can echo the words of the managing director of MAPE. It is quite impressive because there's cutting-edge technology. The prices seem fair. The quality is very good, and I'm very impressed by the overall level of production, and hoping that Italy's share will go up in the coming years. Certainly it will, because you have the prime Italian and one of the best three companies in Europe now on the market, which is a vote of confidence for this country and a testimony to Italian entrepreneurship.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, all.
Distinguished guests, venerable sponsors, and our most respected architects, Assalamu alaikum. On behalf of Chairman IAP-RIC and the rest of his hardworking team, we welcome you all to the closing ceremony of IAPEX 2016. My name is Bisma Shehzad, and my co-host for tonight is Sami Mufti.
Assalamu alaikum. Ladies and gentlemen, IAPEX is an annual event hosted by the local chapters of the Institute of Architects Pakistan. It's aimed at creating synergies between practicing professionals, academics, and young-inspiring architects. And now this year's IAPEX 2016 acts as a forum to highlight issues and concerns regarding contemporary architectural practice in Pakistan. Through forum presentations and invited lectures, as well as an opportunity to socialize and strengthen the architectural community, an atmosphere of goodwill is created between the architectural communities, and that, ladies and gentlemen, are the collaborative qualities of IAPEX 2016.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's respectfully observe the recitation of the Holy Quran.
शुरू अल्लाह का नाम लेकर जो बड़ा मेहरबान निहायत रहम वाला है। ऐ नबी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम, हमने तुमको कौसर यानी बहुत ज्यादा भलाई अता फरमाई है, तो अपने परवरदिगार के लिए नमाज और कुर्बानी किया करो।
Jazakallah. Ladies and gentlemen, I would now kindly request you all to raise from your seats in reverence for our beloved national anthem.
My immense pleasure to invite the man who made IAPEX 2016 possible, architect Rana Atif Rahman.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Architect Ali Zafar Kaisa, President IAP, Architect Muhammad Atiq Saab, Chairman Rawalpindi-Islamabad Chapter IAP, His Excellency Stefano Pontecorvo, the Italian Ambassador, MD Stefano Inafone of MAPE, Executive Committee members, Senior Architects, fellow colleagues, representatives of the three institutes, fellow IAP members, student volunteers, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. The Institute of Architects Pakistan Rawalpindi-Islamabad chapter comes to its epic conclusion yet another 3-day mega annual event, IAPEX 2016. IAP was established in 1957. Since nearly 6 decades, it has served to provide an interactive platform for the diverse intellectual architects of both academia and practice. The annual event of IAPEX has provided a huge platform for architects, engineers, developers, builders, students, building material vendors, and the general public to interact under one roof. Over the past few years, we have witnessed the participation of both local and international building material manufacturers and distributors. Even this year, many new companies have participated, showing their great interest and financial support for the Institute of Architects Pakistan. The exposition has provided the opportunity for the new building material and techniques to be brought forward. The introduction of new materials and its application in contrast to the conventional materials has also brought up challenges for the architects. This year, IAPEX has successfully achieved in attracting a huge crowd to its immense outdoor and social media campaign. We have booked the largest number of stalls so far and have financially uplifted the institute to a newer level. The society at large has benefited from this exhibition. In order to give a sense of belonging to the expo as the representative of IAP, we launched a quick entrance design competition for the young graduate architects and students from the three local institutes. We received 10 entries. Cash prizes of ₹15,000 were given to the first participant, architect Waleed Ismail. Please give a round of applause for him. He is a graduate from Comsat University, and ₹10,000 as a cash prize money were given to the runner-up art student Ahmed Javed from Comsat again. The criterion for participation was to apply as IAP membership. The execution of the entrance has not only morally uplifted the young participant architects, were also given a new identity to the exposition. A video competition was also launched in the same time for students of architecture. Entries from the 3 schools were received, and the first and the runner-up prize were again given to ComStat students. The IAP-RIC Next Color Award was hosted by IAP-RIC this year. Architect Jawad Masood, Khokhar, and architect Fasha Noman, graduated from ComStat University, won this award. Honorary mentions were given to Suhail and Fawad, architects, for their work. This year's theme for the forum was collaborative ecology. The purpose of the forum was to generate a debate between the architectural practice and academia. Both practitioners and academic professionals from around the country were invited, and the attendance turnover was over 250. So we can see a lot of young architects participating and students being activated in this process. Special thanks to the faculty and students of Seacoast Peshawar and Jamshoro University, Sindh, who visited us from these locations. The greatest of all the achievements was the addition of new IAP members during this process. This year, our aim has been to bring in new faces who could be the torchbearer of the future IAP-RIC. We have so far added 30 new registered architects, almost 70 new members who have applied as both affiliate and associate categories, which is a huge achievement. It is with great pride and pleasure that such prestigious event has been hosted by IAP-RIC. The event was planned in less than 3 months of time and has set a benchmark for the upcoming and next year's IAPEX. This event could not have reached the desired results without the leadership qualities of the dynamic chairman, Architect Muhammad Asif. The credit also goes to the entire executive committee who has wholeheartedly put in their efforts day and night to make this event a successful one. I would personally like to thank Architect Harun Rashid, Vice Chairman, IAP-RIC, Architect Hussain Kamal Naqvi, Architect Khalil Ahmed Saab, Architect Jahangir Yuni Saab, Architect Azhar Raza, the Young Honorary Secretary, Architect Sarai Zaz, and my right hand for this event, Architect Maria Kashif, being the convener, media and publication, for her support. The effort of the IAPEX team, comprising of young, energetic and enthusiastic graduate architects and students, are highly commendable. Architect Usman Malik, as a deputy convener, is showing great skills in event management and is turning out to be a good candidate for the future convener IAPEX. Last but not the least, I would like to thank my partner in business and life, Architect Rabia Asif, for her support during this tight schedule of IAPEX preparation. Once again, I am very grateful. I'm grateful for the support given by everyone and our sponsors, MAPE and other companies. Without their support and cooperation, this event would have not been successful. Thank you so much.
Rawalpindi-Islamabad chapter, Muhammad Aziz, to kindly take the stage and say a few words.
Assalamu alaikum. I thank you all for attending this closing ceremony of IAPEX 2016. As Arthur told you, that it was a great success, alhamdulillah, to organize an IAPEX of this scale and quality. The credit goes to the organizing committee. I would like to recognize the untiring efforts of the whole team, one by one. Architect Harun Rashid Saab, Vice Chairman, Sam Ejaz, Honorary Secretary, and dynamic Rana Atif Rahman, Convener IAPEX 2016. Atif has worked really hard to make this possible. Mr. Hussain Kamal Hakim, Ms. Fariha Yasmin, Architect Azhar Raza, who is also convener of forum, Architect Hazir Tuni, again convener forum, Khalil Ahmad, Architect Naveed Islam, who is immediate past chairman, and my organizing committee, Architect Amna Usmani, coordinator architectural exhibition, Architect Ahmed Zaka for conducting such and organizing such beautiful and impressive students' night yesterday. Architect Usman Khalid, Deputy Convener IAPEX, Architect Alvina Rahim, Convener Registrations and Coordinator IAP. My special thanks to Architect Salman Mansoor Shah for all his support and help whenever it was required. Thanks to the head of departments of all three universities, regional universities, Ali Ahmed Shah, HOD, NCA, Sikandar Rajab Saab, Principal Nas Sada, Hammad Hussain Saab, HOD Concepts, and also moderator for forum. Thanks to Ijaz Kazmi Shah for his support, and also Architect Fawad Sohail Abbasi and Jahangir Sherpa Saab for helping us in juries and all other matters we were requiring their help. Thanks to our guests of honors at other events, Architect Sohail Abbasi Saab, Architect Naeem Pasha Saab, and Architect Sikandar Rajab Saab. Thanks to all the student volunteers who helped us during this event. Forgive me if I have missed anyone. At the end, I would like to thank MAPE for sponsoring today's event and making this event beautiful than ever before. Once again, I thank you all. Thank you.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, I am honored to present on stage the Honorable President of the Institute of Architects, Pakistan, the respected Architect Ali Zafar Khan.
Thanks very much. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The Honorable Chief Guest, His Excellency the Ambassador of Italy, let me try to get this name correct, Stefano Montecalvo. That's somewhere there? Okay. Welcome very much, sir. The President Acacia, Architect Jahangir Khan Sherpa, the Chairman RIC, Architect Muhammad Adib, Convener IAPEX RIC Rana Atif Rahman, the Executive and the Organizing Committee of the IAPEX 2016, distinguished speakers, delegates, members, senior colleagues, students, sponsors, exhibitors, ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening. It is my great honor and privilege as President IAP to welcome you all here at the closing ceremony of the IAPEX 2016 Rawalpindi-Islamabad chapter. Firstly, I must congratulate the Chairman RSC and the Convener IAPEX for doing a wonderful job. This was a well-attended event and yet another success story among the many the chapter has written in its favor over the past years. The various events, talks, seminars, and lectures, and international global conferences all the chapter has conducted over the past years add to a rich archive to its contribution to the annals of IAP and the profession of architecture in Pakistan. Today, I would like to just say a few words about the importance of the IAPEX and how it has become an important feature of the IAP calendar at its various chapters in Pakistan. To me, among most other things, architecture is always about alliance and collaboration. Most of us find out very quickly after entering the profession that the study, training, and learning and practice of architecture is all about teamwork. It is not a one-man show. You can only excel at the profession of architecture if you train yourself to be a master collaborator. Be it the client, engineers, builders, industry, vendors, and suppliers, etc. Being inclusive and taking the whole team together is the name of the game. Nothing explains this better than the planning and organizing and the concept of the IAPEX. The IAPEX is a great example of teamwork. The IAPEX acts as a dialogue between the stakeholders. It is a place of great discourse among the students, academia, professionals, and the building industry. It gives a platform for experts from the profession to share their ideas and thoughts to benefit us all. Speakers from various specialities and disciplines present their ideas to further the profession. It helps students and the young architects to realize the tangible aspects of the profession, giving them a window into the material and the real world. On the other hand, the industry also benefits a great deal by keeping abreast with the latest concepts, direction and developments in the profession. It gives them a comprehensive platform for introducing the best of their products and innovative services. They are exposed to business, they are exposed to opportunity and new business. Hence, I would conclude by saying that IAPEX has come to be a highlight of symbiotic relationship between the profession and the industry for a mutually beneficial future for both. So in the end, I must thank the sponsors once again who have always stood shoulder to shoulder with IAP in its activities. Their appreciation and contribution in the important work IAP does is greatly appreciated. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the evening. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for those kind comments. Ladies and gentlemen, MAPE has been the main sponsor for the IAPEX 2016, without whom this event would have been close to impossible. MAPE is an Italian company that specializes in chemical products for building and construction. I shall now hand over the responsibilities of the MOC to the distinguished Isra Elahi, who is representing MAPE for the evening. Ladies and gentlemen, Isra Elahi.
Thank you, Sami. Greetings, everyone. I'm Isra Elahi, and I'm the Assistant Manager of Marketing at Organised MAPE. First of all, we are very grateful to President IAP and Chairperson IAP-Islamabad Rawalpindi chapter that they have provided us this platform where we can introduce ourselves as to who we are, what we do, and how we can add value to your business. In one word, we are Organised MAPE. MAPE is a company from Italy. We're manufacturers of materials and solutions that helps customers in delivering value. Now, to take it further, I would like to request Mr. Tulip, our HOD of Organised MAPE, to please come on stage and say a few words.
Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen, and a very warm welcome to all of you. It is quite a pleasing moment for all of us that we are experiencing a wave of change in Pakistan, a wave of change in Pakistan's overall development, and especially in construction chemical industry. On behalf of MAPE division of Creed School, I would take this pride rather to say that we are here to act as change agents. For this opportunity, we are really lucky to have such an extravagant gathering who have been significantly contributing in this change through their creativity and a deep consideration of quality and standards. Dreams can be realized through bringing the revolution in all related aspects of the construction system. From this point in time, let's proceed along the rest of the program by revealing what we have brought to you to realize those achievable dreams. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me to reveal the name which represents the peak of international standards and quality globally in construction chemical industry. The MAPE, now in Pakistan. I once again, on behalf of my team, welcome you all. Dear friends, as we all know, we have a very distinguished guest with us. And I would now like to invite His Excellency, Mr. Stefano Pontocarlo, Ambassador of Italy, to come on stage and say a few words. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. It's always pretty dangerous to put a couple of microphones in front of an ambassador. You never know when he's going to let it go. But I will be brief, as I understand I'm the one that's standing between us and our dinner. Congratulations to the organizers of this impressive fair, in which I've seen a lot of high-level manufacturers and high-level products. I imagine I go on Facebook pages of a lot of people today. I'm particularly excited to be here because of my pay, actually. You don't know my pay yet. You will get to know it. My pay is an outstanding Italian company. It is present, if I'm not mistaken, in 73 countries, 68 plants, and it has been growing and growing and growing. And it's growing and growing because of its outstanding quality of products, its trade ethics, its commercial ethics, and production ethics. This is one of the companies that make you proud of being an Italian ambassador abroad, to be able to welcome them in your country. I have very few sureties in my life. One of them is that Pakistan is going to be a success story. It is an inevitable market for us. MAPE shows once again that it is a front runner, as it has been smart enough to understand before other Italian companies, that this is the case. I'm very glad that they are here because they will facilitate my job as a Thai ambassador to bring in other companies because MAPE is, in my country, a weather belt. Where MAPE goes, other people look carefully in generally front. So thank you very much. Lastly, thank you everyone for having me and congratulations to the organizers of this wonderful event. If you invite me next year, I will come. Be careful to invite me because I do come.
Thank you so much, Your Excellency, Mr. Cipriano Montecorvo. We are very honored to have you here, sir. Now please put your hands together while I invite our esteemed guest, Managing Director of MAPE, Mr. Cipriano Montecorvo.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. I'd like to start by thanking the IAPEX for the kind opportunity given to us to sponsor this event, which gave us the opportunity of touching by hand the level of professionalism in the construction industry in its impact. So thank you very much, and we're definitely honored to have had this opportunity. I'm aware of the nature of this evening, which is enjoy good company, celebrate your annual gathering, enjoy good food, so I don't want to bore you too much with words about MAPE, but unfortunately I'm paid to sell products, so I had to spend a few moments to introduce you MAPE. I think that the best is to watch with me a video that gives you an opportunity of understanding the MAPE world. It would be definitely less boring than looking at my face. So if you're ready, I think we can play the video. Yes.
MAPE is the most important manufacturer in the world of adhesives, sealants and chemical products for the building industry. At MAPE, we bring innovation to the world of the chemical industry. We make it possible to achieve the most futuristic works of architecture, and we develop products that help protect and improve the quality of our lives. We are the only company in the world that covers every sector of the modern building industry, from small constructions to the largest infrastructure projects. With a range of more than 1,500 specific products, we are able to offer the best solutions, with the ability to meet all the requirements of the most highly acclaimed designers and construction companies. We have created 15 lines of diversified, high-quality chemical products used in new constructions and for renovation work on historic buildings. Our systems improve the technical characteristics of the buildings where they are employed, from seismic upgrading to the well-being of installers and end users. All MAPE's work is a result of research. We have created our own international network of 18 research and development centres and forged tight bonds of collaboration with the most prestigious scientific and industrial research institutes. Annual investment in this sector amounts to 5% of annual turnover and 12% of our entire workforce. MAPE Group is made up of 68 subsidiary companies distributed in all 5 continents, in which more than 7,500 people are employed. We have 64 manufacturing facilities and produce more than 20,000 tons of products every day. The group has an annual turnover of €2.3 billion. At MAPE, we live sustainability as a tool to bring innovation. We work in synergy with our customers to meet the requirements of contractors and owners. All our products and systems comply with the most important and rigid certification systems for quality, the environment and health and safety issued by the most important internationally accredited bodies. We know that increased durability amounts to the consumption of fewer materials and energy resources, to respect the environment and the quality of life. In 2013, we adopted a code of ethical conduct to implement a standard of excellence towards social responsibility and ethical values in the behaviour of the whole MAPE group. We guarantee on-site technical assistance and a consultancy service that is unrivaled around the world to meet the requirements of our 60,000 clients. Every year, we organise thousands of training courses, workshops and conventions for designers, engineers, distributors and users. The promotion of the group and MAPE's products is carried out by adopting the most efficient means of interpersonal relations and the most advanced multimedia communication tools available. We have a passion for culture. For us, it is one of the most important aspects of a sustainable society. It helps promote understanding and allows for the creation of a better world. We live sport as a powerful vehicle for our image and values, discipline, commitment and an ethical approach. All over the world, the eco-sustainable building sector has chosen to use MAPE technology, certified, highly technological systems that maintain their durability over the years. We are all this. We are MAPE.
As I said before, this is just the first step that MAPE is taking in Pakistan. So I don't want to be a hindrance between the rest of the evening. I'm sure that we will have many other opportunities of meeting and discussing technicalities of how MAPE would like to approach this market, the kind of service that we, as you've seen in the video, we offer to all our worldwide customers. It's not only about selling the product, but finding the right solution for the right building and giving the right assistance on site. So these are all points that differentiate us from our competition. The last few words I would like to spend them thanking our partners, our Pakistani partners, Tretso. We've decided to join efforts with them because these are colleagues that have been in the market for more than 15 years. They specialize in ceramic tiles, in natural stones, and marbles. I'm sure that many of you already are aware of the capabilities and the services that Tretso has to offer. One of our product lines, of course, goes into stones and ceramics, and that's what we find the synergies for MAPE and Tretso to start working together in the country and build on the necessary expertise for promoting also the other building. We are on the hiring process of a technical team. The rest will be discussing in the further meetings. Now, I really would like to thank you once more for the opportunity. And my last statement will be that MAPE came here today for the first time, but you can be sure that we will be here for long. And I'm sure that together we will build a better Pakistan. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for being here with us. Now, please, last but not the least, in your applause, I would like to invite Mr. Mohammed Iqbal, who has joined us all the way from the UK, to be here and represent Rizal family. Sir.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the whole Quicksalt team, I thank you very much for giving us this opportunity to present MAPE and our brand to you. It was a great opportunity to meet so many of the industry leaders, the architects from all over Pakistan, and I'm glad to see that you're all having a good time together, and hopefully you will enjoy the rest of the evening.
I would also like to extend our gratitude to His Excellency, the Ambassador for Italy, Stefano Pontecorvo, for honouring us with his time and presence at this event. Most importantly, I would like to thank the MAPI team that have come from the Middle East, Stefano, Sharif and Farhadi. Thank you very much for joining us today. As there's been many speeches, I'll keep mine very, very short. All I want to say is that I can see a great future in this country. As an overseas Pakistani, I'm really proud to see that we have got now a market-leading a company with great international standards that will, as Stefano said, help us to build a better Pakistan with all the professionals that are here today. So thank you very much for being here. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Now, let me invite back Sami and Isma to give over the ceremony to IAPEX, but they would like to present the appreciation to our guests.
I would once again like to invite the President of the Institute of Architects Pakistan, Architect Ali Zafarkazi, for the distribution of shields as a token of our appreciation for the respected guests.
I would now like to invite Mr. Emil Zaka, who has acted as the leader for Students' Night, to please come on stage and accept the shield. Moving on, I would like to invite Managing Director of IAPEX, Mr. Stefano Anacom, to please receive a shield of appreciation. I would now like to invite the Italian ambassador, Mr. Stefano Pontecorvo, to please come on stage and receive a shield of appreciation. I would please like to invite Chairman IAP-RIC to join the President on stage. I would please request the shield for the President IAP to be delivered to the stage.
Please. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Certainly, you would like to the stage.
On behalf of IAP, Institute of Architects Pakistan, Rawalpindi-Islamabad chapter, I would like to thank you again for coming to this closing ceremony of IAPEX 2016. Thank you, Madam, for sponsoring the event. And I would like to thank all the companies who participated in our IAPEX. I would like to thank Intervolt and Al-Asad and Yale for sponsoring the forum. I don't want to stand between you and dinner. So, first of all, the soup will be served, and then, ladies and gentlemen, please enjoy your dinner. Thank you so much.
वो तो भूल गए मगर मसीती है असा इश्क नवाज ओ ते काबे दे विच पाया नूर दिसे साडे बुत खाने विच हजूर वसे सकूने ते दूर वसे सकूने ते दूर वसे तेरी नीयत विच पतनी दिए ओ असा इश्क नवाज ओ ना छोड़ दे इल्म किताब ये बेचारी बार वज़ू कर ले शौक शराबा वज़ू कर ले शौक शराबा तेरे अंदर बाहर पली दिए ओ असा इश्क नवाज़ आखिर वो मतलब पा लिया मुर्शिद ने जो हमसे कहा बिन इश्क दिल भर के सचल क्या कुफर का सुनो अरे लोगों तुम्हारा क्या मैं जानूं मेरा second song is called Olympia. के पैरों में अंगारों में चलती So I hope you will love it. It's a soft, romantic and melodic kind of song. ये एक रेफरेंस थी जो कि मैं सबसे पहले पेश कर रहा हूँ। धमाल बचे Oh,